And welcome back to a brand new video. So it's a choppy day, it's Good Friday today. The Easter holidays are starting, but there is a storm approaching, and I believe it's going to be coming in towards the end of Saturday. So like I said, we're going to have a bit of a look at the rough tide, and also we're going to have a bit of a look at Waterloo Road, just see how that lies after that awful fire. And like I said, I'm going to have a bit of a mooch around Blackpool today, so come and join me on this one. And just arrived on Waterloo Road. You see the famous ice cream place is opened up. So apparently all the scaffolding has more or less gone, so the road is completely opened up on Waterloo Road. Like I said, after that horrible fire quite a few weeks ago now. So we're gonna have a quick look and just see what has changed. And just on the centre part of Bond Street and Waterloo Road, the joint, and we can see the road is fully open. And you see the bull there is opened up, and that was shut for a temporary amount of time due to smoke damage. And you see it's a shame because that Waterloo Road coffee shop and the little cafe all still closed down. Very, very sad for those businesses. And Smart Mart, luckily he's got another premises secure and he is back trading, but your heart does go out for the businesses. You see all still boarded up. So you see the road is opened up now, and what is left? So this was subject to an emergency demolition order after, like I said, that awful fire. So I'd imagine there'll be a lot of investment hopefully in this area. We'll have a bit of a look and just see what is cleared. This is where the Smart Mart shop was, and you see they've demolished the whole of the building and even more. It goes right the way back. So I wonder what this will be. And you see the Premier is back up, and again that one also was closed. And the buildings, actually magnificent structure and architecture on the buildings. But let's move the camera to the right, and you can see, like I said, the great big gash where all of that property has sadly been demolished. Wow. And we're just going to make our way just through the winding back streets leading all the way back into to Blackpool. And we're going to have a look at the market, because apparently it's fully open now. Now we have done a few videos in regards to Bonny Street Market, but we haven't actually seen it where all the stalls are open. Let's hope they're all open for Good Friday. That'll be something, like I said, a bit of a miserable start to the Easter holidays in Blackpool, but nevertheless, there's plenty of people out on the Promenade. And this just leads all the way to Lytham Road. And like I say, we don't normally sort of come down the back streets too much, but it is fascinating just to have a bit of a look behind all the huge hotels. And just coming up to Tramtown. Now this one was gonna be possibly demolish the building, and luckily the local MP sort of stepped in and did a bit of digging around, and luckily they secured some funds to save this one. Like I said, you know, it was actually going to possibly go the building. Like I said, luckily they did secure those vital funds. So just on Dale Street, we're gonna have a bit of a scout round. We're gonna go just have a very quick look at Bonny Street Market. And I wonder if Chris is open today. Like I said, there's such an improvement with this new road. And so Chris is open, but it looks very, very quiet. So as you imagine, it'll be a little busy later on. There he is, the famous pound burger, Chris Higgett. And just on Bonny Street, so all this is now open up. Looks like something is going on. We've got an ambulance here, and not too sure what is going on, so let's hope they're okay, whoever's is being called for. This is where the bridge used to be. Remember that one, the fire escape? Things like work is going on. You see a new structure in place there. That'll be the new fire escape. So we're going to have a bit of a look at the market. Like I said, let's hope it is fully open. You can see there the iconic tower just in the distance. So the road is open up. There is temporary traffic lights, but you can now get through Bonny Street once again. Just back at the Bonny Street market, you see they're indulging in some fantastic food. So we're going to have a bit of a look around this one. Everything is now fully opened up, and you see there's that little strawberry box. So it's fantastic, it's like I said, to see the market back fully opened up, and there's something for everybody in these stalls. So let's just have a bit of a weave through, and you always get closed stalls on the markets, and it just reminds you of something new when you go abroad. So definitely worth a visit, this one. There you go. You even get your palm red.
Past, present, and future. Nothing mean and nasty.
And then you got like the traditional rock. Another gypsy one there. The original picture shop, and a lot of people's favourite is the toy shops. And this gentleman there, you can see here, the store holder, he's put so much work into this one. Like I said, great for picking up your bargains. So like I said, we're going to end up going the other way, but how wonderful is it to see that fantastic market once again opened up. We're going to have a bit of a look at the food. That's definitely my favourite stalls. I'm actually a bit peckish now. Actually, I'm not gonna eat on this video again. I think I've been doing too much eating on my videos. Let's just weave through. So like I said, there is weather warnings in place for Blackpool, and probably the most of the UK. So I think it just puts a lot of people off travelling. So you got your phone accessories. So like I said, it's not just clothes, you got something for everybody. So definitely worth the walk around. Like I said, if it's not for you, just come and have a coffee, have something to eat, and you can sit in one of those fantastic little shelters. Look at that, shelter from the rain. Just hit the promenade, and you can see it's a bit of a high tide. I think it's about 8.4, I do believe, today. So it's quite a bit of a high tide. And the sun looks, it's threatening to come out. Let's hope it does come out. You can see, like I said, it's a very high tide today in Blackpool. Nothing better though, just listening and watching the sea on a rough day. So I do hope you're enjoying this video so far. A little look at Waterloo Road, and like I said, it's good news that the road is now opened up. Let's hope those businesses what still remain closed have a bit of a look, and wish them all the best. Bonny Street Market, fantastic, everything is opened up there. Just need a bit of sunshine now, and that will certainly make Easter in Blackpool. And just come all the way, probably somewhere between Bispham and Cleveland. Just look at the some of the waves. We just missed some of them. Absolutely incredible, really bouncing over the path. So it is quite choppy seas here in Blackpool. So that is the end of today's video. Like I said, not the best weather for Easter, and a storm is predicted. So as always, stay safe, take care. Until next time, look after yourself. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the follow button. It's completely free. Until next time, bye bye.